I got these thump bandits with me, which is some bad boys. Some good men, man. My buddy Kyron, aka Labrador Retriever. And of course, D Crappie. Y'all know him, man. Y'all visit his YouTube channel if you don't know about him. Crappie Head TV, you can see D Crappie. Funny dude, man, that can really fish. I enjoy these brothers, man. God-fearing guys, man, that love the Lord. Family men. And some awesome fishermen. So we're about to get after it. I feel. Come on, come on. You need a net?
Not in there, you can't get no net.
Bye-bye, baby, love you.
That's a moose monkey.
Is it a moose monkey?
Moose monkey. You can hold your shoulders.
He's going in, folks.
He's going in.
He's going in.
It's Labrador Retriever on the retrieve.
Oh, that's a black one too. Don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, he deep in there.
White crappie with black man.
No, I'm just saying it's a male.
Oh, okay. Say, don't jump in the water, man. I got you. I got your life jacket, baby.
Put a hand on him.
Get him out of the
Put a hand. Can I see what you're doing? Yes, sir. Ooh, Jesus.
Is that a bass or a crappie?
That's a donkey.
Did he beat the meat off of it?
Get your pole, get your pole, get your pole. Shoot. I don't. Ooh. Hey.
Man, that thing. Yep.
That was a big mouth. That wasn't no little mouth did that. No, that wasn't no baby. That wasn't Cammy. That was mama. Wait. Snapper.
Was he deep in the thicket on out?
He was in there.
Yeah.
They are beautiful. Look at him. He's squirting too. Stop it. Stop it. Live well. Oh, guys, they are thicking these cattails. Thicking these cattails. Big male. That's a good male. Let's go, baby. That's one. Come on, D. Oh, Lord. What you doing over there, Hammer Time?
What time it is, baby?
Hammer Time.
Ooh, this thing is blanket on.
Hey, PP. Hey, PP. What you think? Boat up. Okay. Right. All right, guys, y'all know who it is, man. It's Boy Fishing Ken. I know it's windy out here, but real quick, we're out here at the lake. We ain't getting really a whole lot of bites. I do have one big male. Ooh, that was a nice male. Now we're getting ready to go to a different side of the lake because we do have the Labrador Retriever Kyron with us today. And then this is no big motor lake, man. So we got to be real careful about following the rules. We want to make sure we follow the rules out here, man. But anyway, got Don backing me up. and we're gonna get this thing on the trailer and go to the other side of the lake. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa. All right, we're gonna get over here to the other side of the lake. I'm gonna pull the trolling motor. We're gonna get moving and grooving. Fishing King, Hook City. Out here with the Thump Bandits today, man. Let's go, Hook City. All right, guys, like I said before, man, we headed over to the other side of the lake. Everything's trailer. Got these Thump Bandits with me. Let's move and groove, man. It is 2 o'clock. Hopefully it don't take us too long to get here to the next location. We're gonna make it happen, man. Now listen, I caught that granddaddy in there. I need to see. I just want to get to the whole senior citizen center. Fishing these cattails, just real quick. I know somebody's gonna ask, they're probably new to the channel. I use a lot of braid. I'm still using my braid. This time we're using a rear seat red ACC crappie stick. I got both of them out right now. My 10-footer and my 12, and actually the 12 does have some mono Mr. Crappie line on it right now. But I don't use that rod. My dad likes that rod. He doesn't mind the mono. So those are the 2 rods I'm using. Jig of choice. I really don't think it matters, man. But I am using a Cajun Cricket by Strike King right now. And that's what I caught the first fish on. Hopefully, man, we can get some more fish, man, and make this a day worth of the gas. The last couple of trips out, man, have not been good. This spawn is taking forever to come into North Texas, as I'm sure a lot of you North Texas guys can attest to. But man, we're gonna find some granddaddies today, man. I do have to be to work today, so I can't stay out too late, but I can stay out late enough to try to find these fish, and that's what I'm here to do. We're about to get after it. Let's see what happens, baby. Here we go. No, Don. That don't look good at all. Yeah, if he can go across to Walking, he ain't worried about this little old stuff.
Yeah. Walking the ocean, buddy.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hey guys, I got somebody here for y'all, man. Your boy D Crappie.
What's up, baby? It's your boy D Crappie. We out here on the creek trying to snatch out the whole lake. You know, we got us a couple of sluggers. But say, man, you show them that slugger you got?
Yeah, you know I showed him.
Okay, I was gonna say.
Granddaddy, I done already named him.
Named him Granddaddy?
Oh, no.
Yeah, but I told you.
I done already named him.
New front shoes.
Are you wet?
Yeah, they
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I done already named him Granddaddy.
Okay.
Pawpaw.
But I sure got grandmama on his brother in the
Listen,
well,
we're
too.
looking for the whole senior center.
Yeah.
And hopefully it's lunchtime too.
Joker got some good fish in it.
Yes, he
Good
do.
fish. I just hope we catch enough of them before I gotta go to work.
Hey, let me go, bro. I got to get him to come up out of here.
Yeah.
I got to
It's
look
already
for
2. I gotta give me some lunch too.
Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock. What time y'all do that?
5:30.
Oh, Lord. It ain't going to work on this side, guys.
Say, hey, this is what you do when you crazy for crappie. We nuts. Look at this. Look at the white caps out there. Show them the white caps, man.
Oh, Lord.
They almost pulled Salvador over the boat.
Almost went over the boat.
He almost, if he didn't have his life jacket on, he would have been floating up the river.
He's so scared. He's standing in the truck right now.
He lost. He don't know what to think.
Can you smell?
Hey, he thanking Jesus. He thanking Jesus. Ready? Let's go.
Hey, your motor good, right? It don't need to come up? Nah, bro. Say, man, don't you put that on me. Don't put that evil on me. Hey, man, listen. Why didn't nobody tell me that I was in the truck with my life jacket on? Now, y'all sitting there watching me. Somebody should have told me I'm sitting in the truck with my life jacket on, thinking I got my seatbelt on.
That's because you're a country bammer. That's why you got your life jacket on. You want to feel safe even in the truck.
Listen, float or go, I'm gonna be all right.
He see all these white caps out here, he think he gonna go under, so
Listen.
he gotta have that jacket on.
Listen.
That right there show you.
It's shallow over there, it's like 2.5 at the deepest. Look good, man, but I swung by there. Brother, I had buffalo heads in my boat like this.
Huh?
Buffalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured it was shallow when I saw that sitting up over there.
Man, they gonna flip the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had heard of buffalo.
Yeah. But yeah, man, yeah, I'm scared.
Yeah, I can see, man, you got that on life jacket. At least you ain't got it buckled up. That's
I
what-
had it buckled up. I got in the truck buckled up and then buckled up.
Hey, y'all, hey, but you know what? It ain't never a problem being too safe. Look at me, look at it. I got the baby jacket. No, let me take it up, undo it so I can look a little sexy.
Say, man, we're not
Say, man,
we're not worried about no sexy men right now.
You can be sexy on the lake
Say,
too
man.
with a life jacket. Look.
Hey, man, this is a public service announcement. Wear your life jacket, man. I don't know how many people.
The
how
lake,
many people have they found?
I don't know. The lake
Drowned.
killing people. The lake killing
The
people.
lake is out here killing
If you ain't
people.
got your jacket on,
Wear the jacket
don't be a fool. Wear that jacket.
and look cool.
And look. Yeah, no, I don't know if I'm.
Look, hold on. Wear the jacket. Don't be a fool. Wear the jacket and look cool.
Look cool.
That's cool. Thump bandits.
You wear these to school.
Thump bandits.
That is.
Hey, let's get to the.
Where your foot is. All right, guys, we what you see in there, man?
You got some Texas toast.
That's Texas toast right there. That's
I ain't talking about the gin color either. I'm talking about.
what you talking about?
I'm talking about the mules.
I need to let that water out there too.
I got it. I'm a crappie ring.
Yeah, you think you?
bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, oh yeah. Don't let it fool you.
Boy, that line will keep them fresh and alive.
Yeah, boy. Say, I took some fish out of there the other day. Them fish.
Wait, he got more energy than he did when he had it in the lake.
Say, man, he mad.
He mad, bro.
You done took him from his wife. He mad. Look at him. Hey, what you doing, D?
Shoot, this nigga, he biting, man.
What you doing, man?
That's your big. What?
Boom!
Goodness.
Shaka laka.
Jesus, look what Kendo has done. He
Yes,
has
sir.
brought home daddy.
Yes, sir.
Brought home daddy.
Let's see what else we got going.
Hey, man, get your fish, man. Let me get off your fish.
I'll take a look. It's only one, but it sure was fun, man. Look, it wasn't one because of the angling. It was one because of the issue we had with the wind. This wind just blew us off, man. But wait a minute. It's still some turkey. Oh my God.
Snickerdoodles in there.
Oh my Lord. Oh, let the man that caught him hold him.
Hold on, he got one or two. I got one.
Oh, that was yours.
Oh no.
That's my
Okay, well get your fish.
Yeah, let me see.
Get my fish.
Get your feet.
I'll get mine too.
Get your feet. Wait a minute. Don't stunt too hard, man.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me give him a little low
Uh-oh.
you know.
Boy, wait a minute.
Set it up.
I can set her up.
Set her up. Set set off to display the show today.
Very promising.
Very promising.
Get
day.
on closer. We need to get closer.
Woo! Hey man,
That's what you call slabs,
Do you see
hogs.
do you see me?
Do you seeing people?
Okay.
Wait. Look. Look.
That's what? What's about almost an inch and a half?
That's got to be about a foot across.
A foot?
That gotta be about a
Golly,
foot.
Good Lord, you gotta be more careful.
Got
My
to
God.
be more careful, guys. This is what's going on, but this is
Get on
really what's happening with these thump bandits.
Thump bandit for life, baby. D-Crappie,
Kentucky.
Kentucky, aka
Fishing Ken,
Fishing King, aka y'all don't know that other one.
Chris
Liner King.
Chris Liner Ken.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
What's your name, man?
Labrador Retriever.
Labrador Retriever.
Slab the Lamb.
Brador.
Mr. Go Get It and come back with it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, till next time, y'all. It's your boy Fishing King, Hook City TV, man. Hopefully we get some better weather, man. We get this better weather. There's gonna be a lot more of this going on, guys. Stay tuned, man. We'll be back soon. I'm out.